Okay, welcome to all. Today we are going to teach about in the complete session is called for a selections. So selections are very important when you are doing any cutting of images because mainly we are doing selecting one image and cutting it and pasting it in different places. But only if you are taking the selection tools, that is not enough because in a selection you can do multiple things. You can do the edit also. Selection tool is not only using for selection, but also it is using for some manipulation the image on some of the areas and other things. And the selection tools you can also create the buttons and components and everything. So I'll teach you step by step. I will maximum cover the industrial use of each selection tool in one by one. Okay, thank you for watching this, but you need to carefully you need to watch and practice it. Okay.